This is the summary of Module 3 in the Foundations of Programming with Python video series. In Module 3, we covered operators, expressions, and if statements. We introduced the while loop, file access, and program arguments. We also used Spyder as our IDE. At this point, you should be able to answer the following questions from memory. So for the ones you can't, please review the subject, and it might help to imagine that you're being asked by a coworker or a friend about this module, or that it is an interview setting to put you into the right mindset. What is pseudocode? What are conditional statements? How do you use multiple conditional expressions? What are comparison operators? What are the Boolean values of the integers 0, 1, and 2? What is a loop? Name the most common programming loop. What do break and continue do? What statement allows you to write data into a file? And how do you pass arguments into a script? When you can answer all of these from memory, it's time to complete the assignment and move to the next module.